So this is this ultimate redo of the Wynn High Limit Room, which was done quite a few years ago, which is very quintessential Roger Thomas. But there's this whole bringing the outdoors indoors, and like this whole like continuum of space. And what we've talked about before is how they've managed to really do this, which is really unique for Vegas property, because you have this sort of garden-like atmosphere behind you, but then you're in a high limit room. And look around you. It's just a high. This is the Wynn High Limit. This is the Wynn Las Vegas High Limit Room. And I just think they did such a great job. And what's so interesting is the carpet here is totally different than the carpet that you will find in Wynn Las Vegas. Totally different color scheme. The color scheme is like, to me, more of a garden kind of color scheme, and it's all meshing together. What's so interesting is like right behind the slot machine behind Michael, who's recording right now, you can see live plants. And actually on the top of the other slot machines there, you see all of these incredible plants. There's like actual plants. So they brought the garden outside, sort of inside with those plants. And that's really sort of cool, but it's just so well done, so opulent, so relaxing. And look over here, you've got like the big ashtray, a place to relax with a cigar and just, you know, chill in the back of the high limit area. And it's just great. And as you'll see, there's this incredible transition from this high limit room, which is sort of like the garden high limit room, to the main Wynn casino floor. And that's what's sort of cool, is it just totally transitions into a different space. So that's like a huge differentiation of this high limit room to the main like casino floor at Wynn Las Vegas.